Hello and welcome to our video on graphing linear inequalities. Now previously we've been looking at equations that look like this with an equal sign in them. Inequalities are equations that instead of an equal sign they have a greater than or less than sign. So 2x plus 3 is greater than 6. Or it could be less than 6, or it could be less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So an inequality is going to have one of those four signs instead of an equal sign. When we look at graphing them on a number line, we'll just be looking at the final solution. So remember, when you solved a linear equation, you would get a solution that looked something like this, x equals a number. Well, now you're going to get x is greater than a number, or less than or equal to, any of those four inequality signs. So this will be your final solution when you solve, and we need to look at how we can show these on a number line. So I've got the four different examples here. X is greater than A means x is greater than A, and if you are not confident with these signs, which one is which, make sure you work out a way that you can learn it and understand it, because you really need to be confident which arrow in which direction means what. X is greater than A, so we start at A and we draw a line with an arrow facing this way because it's going up the number line. You can see here that we've got a circle and what we call an open circle. It's not coloured in. This one here is coloured in, closed circle. This one here is open. And it's written down here, the last dot point. The open circle is used for less than or greater than, where the end point is not included. So this one is greater than, this one's got greater than or equal to, but this one is just greater than. So if we're looking at x is greater than 6, it could never actually be 6. It would have to be a little bit more than 6, so 7, 8, 9 or 10. So we show that with an open circle, and we would put a 6 here and the line going towards the right, with the arrow going towards the right hand side. You need to label your axis x here for each of the number lines, and make sure you number the point that you're showing. If we've got x is greater than or equal to A, so it can actually reach that number that I've put in for A, we use a closed circle. So when it's got the equal signs, it includes 6, so if I had x is greater than or equal to 6, it can be equal to 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and anything bigger than 6. So we do a closed circle and an arrow going towards the right. X is less than A, same as the top one, but the arrow goes towards the left, and less than or equal to, same as this one. Closed circle, arrow goes towards the left. This one is worth looking at as well. Nope, I won't draw through it. I will highlight it. And this is when x is between two numbers. So we always have x in the middle. And you could have 4 and 9. So x is between 4 and 9. These less than signs always point towards the left when we write two numbers that x is between. And we need to check, so these are the two numbers. So this would be 4 and this would be 9 in the example down here. And we need to check these signs for whether we do a closed circle or an open circle. So this one is less than, so it never actually reaches 4. It's going to be more than 4. So we have an open circle there. and then the line goes all the way here. So there's no arrow on this red line. All the others have an arrow on them. This one is between these 2 points only. This one here is less than or equal to, so we colour in the line, and we would put a 9 here for the number. Have a go at writing these two inequalities for yourself. Pause the video now. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at writing these. What we've got here is a 2. X is what we're looking at. We're looking at greater than 2. So X is greater than 2. And we've got an open circle, which means no equal sign. So we just leave it like this. X is greater than 2. Second example. This is between 2 points. There's no arrow on it. So we need to put -3, X in the middle, and 0 at the right hand side. Check that these are pointing towards the left, so they're always less than signs. And then we need to finally check, so this is a closed circle, so it's less than or equal to 3. This one is an open circle, so it's just less than. Thanks for watching the video.